Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this?
Welcome back to Joyce Michelle. I am her, Joyce Michelle. So today's video, oh my goodness, it's so yummy. It's so yummy. So if you've seen earlier on in my content, you will see that I picked up Haus Labs by Lady Gaga. This is the Triclone Skin Tech Foundation. And I have mine's in color 440 medium deep cool. Now, she's a little pricey, but I see why. And I actually am in love after the first try of this foundation. So she runs $49. And let me tell you the claims, okay? So she did win Allure 2023 Beauty Clean Beauty winner. So she must have some great ingredients in this foundation. Y'all know Lady Gaga, she my girl. So it says long wearing, natural finish. When they say natural, I'm gonna say this is for if you're 50 and over, 40 and over. I'm gonna say this is a great foundation for glowy skin. It says natural finish, but I see a little glow. Not just my highlighter, but you'll see in the video, I actually saw like a glowy finish in this foundation, which I love. So if you're a woman with or man with mature skin and you rock foundation, I would suggest Haus Labs. It's a thumbs up for me. She has a glowy finish to me. So, but it said natural finish. She's hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic, clean at Sephora, so she does fall into the clean category as far as makeup. Now it says the coverage is medium. I don't know. Could I have look, I don't know about the coverage as far as it being medium. It felt like full coverage to me. I was happy about it. Can you still probably see some of you can still see my moles right here. So yeah, I would say medium coverage, but it's still good. It gives you enough coverage. That's what I'm gonna say. It still says natural finish. It said, what is it? A medium coverage, weightless. Now that is true. It was weightless. Weightless, non-comedogenic foundation with fermented arnica that helps reduce redness and protects from the environmental stress. I like it. Now let's talk about the shade range. I don't know how many shades. I want to say she's got probably a good 50 shades. Now, I think I could have gotten a deeper color. Mine's is 440 medium deep cool. Medium deep with cool golden olive undertones. So I think I would go up to like probably, well, that's 460. 460 says medium deep warm with rosy. I'm not rosy. 480 medium deep neutral, medium deep with neutral balanced undertones. I might have to say maybe 480 as far as like my summer color, because I'm actually tanned in my face right now, so it does look a little light. But I do want to tell you, it does oxidize. So I like the color, and I don't want to get rid of her. I actually like this foundation. Yeah, I don't know if I would get a darker color. I like it because, like I said, it does oxidize, and so she fit me though. You know, she fit me good, real good. So yeah, I just want to come and give y'all some information about Haus Labs. I was eyeballing this foundation for at least a year. I was like, I don't know, but I finally, pulled the trigger on it, and I'm glad I did. I'm really glad I did. So I like her, and I like her color. And I like the way she lays on the skin. It's still allowing some of my imperfections like my moles to show through. She doesn't feel heavy. Does not feel drying at all. Now, if you're a woman of a particular age, we don't need products that dry us out. You need moisture. Okay? Moisture, moisture, moisture. I know some of y'all might be combination, some of y'all might be oily, but we'll do a video about the about skincare. But she's not drying to, I'm a dry girl, so she's not drying to me, and I like that about her. So yeah, let me know how y'all feel about the coverage, about the video, about the matching. I know you're probably gonna be like, wait a minute, Joyce, that's a little bit too light. It does oxidize. So yeah, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Please turn your post notifications to all. Also, throw me a like or a love, hit that love button. Let's see what else. Y'all stay blessed and stay safe. It's time for me to get outside. Enjoy the video.
Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this shit fly? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive it, getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body, too late, oh I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Tryna get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies.